I have the idea, like, look, it's like
that,
pink,
like you
and
put
there's
all
some
the
color.
like.
Gentlemen. I feel stuck between your petunias here. Jeff and Neander moved from the city to the suburbs in order to enjoy more space. But with an overwhelming amount of work going on inside, the outside has been an afterthought. So I'm gonna deck out their yard and I'm gonna do it in a day.
And this is the backyard.
Whoa. Wow. This is something.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of room out, excuse me.
No, it's, for one to call this a deck would really be a stretch. As you can see, it's very tight.
Wow. That's quality right there.
Yeah.
Look at this thing,
I
guys.
know,
This is a disaster waiting to happen.
Yeah.
That's too bad. So this was all here when you guys bought the place.
Yes. Yeah.
So you guys were living in a condo last year.
Yes, we know that part of our living. That's why we were able to kind of get the work done on the inside, because it's like, okay, indoor living space is our condo. We've always been fine with that.
Yeah.
But one of the reasons why we decided to finally invest in a home and move out here was to take advantage of the fact that we can actually have a nice outdoor living space and an indoor living space. We want to be proud of our backyard. We want to host our family. We want to have really enjoyable moments with everybody.
Yeah.
And right now, we're just kind of embarrassed to invite them over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, like, Jeff has his friends, I have my friends. So it's like when everybody's together, we can never have those kind of parties because it's like we can't fit everybody in the living room.
No, you can't invite people over for a backyard party with this.
No.
I see where we can go with this. I think that there's like the blueprint here to make a space that you can entertain your friends. All doable. I will have to do some posts in order to build the new structure.
Okay.
And if I'm going to do that in a day, I'm going to get my friends at Techno Metal Posts to come in and drill them in. They can probably get the posts in place in under an hour, and then we'll have the rest of the day to build the deck.
Fantastic.
Okay, let's clear all this out of
All
here.
right, let's
then.
get it out.
We can build on this right away, right?
Yeah, so basically I'm gonna come in, I'll set my offsets up, and once I'm complete, you'll be able to build right away.
Love it. Deck in a day. Gentlemen, the original deck has been ripped off. That didn't take very long.
No, it was good.
We've pretty much cleared everything out of our way. The front of the deck is going to end up right about here. So from here forward, I figured you guys could pull out the landscape stones and just neatly pile them back here, and they will be underneath the deck.
Cool.
Great, okay.
Awesome.
Thanks, guys.
You got it.
So we don't have to do any railings.
Exactly, keep it simple.
I love it. This is clean.
And then just fence to fence, nice little shade structure up top.
Deck in a day, game on.
Deck in a day. Let's get to it, guys. Neander, getting in there. Come on, Neander. You make it look so painful. So this is the deck boards we're going to use here. It's called Katana. It's an engineered product. It's bamboo, it's sustainable. It'll dull a little bit because it is a natural wood, so it'll get that gray tone to it.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's going to
I
look
like it.
amazing.
Yeah, and we're not gonna run it like a typical deck board. We're gonna run it more like a hardwood floor. Okay, just making sure you guys are happy with
Yeah,
it.
no, love it. Love it.
Okay, I have another project for you guys out front.
Great.
So I'll meet you guys out there in just a minute. I want to start getting these deck boards out.
Cool.
Thanks,
Let's do it.
Scott.
Thanks, Scott.
guys. So I'm thinking just a couple planters on the deck can add a lot of life to the space. For me anyway, the rule is to keep these symmetrical, but mirrored.
Right.
How you guys feeling? That deck's coming together
I know,
fast.
The
It's
deck
gorgeous.
is it's so cool.
Yeah.
It looks like you guys have done a lot of work inside.
We have, you know, like I think that was all the stuff that we were comfortable with, and you know, we knew the things that we wanted to invest in to give the property a lot more, you know, a much stronger look and a much more impressive
Increase the
thing.
value of the property if something
Yeah,
that
people
would be
when
like
they walk in
eye-catching.
would kind of go, you know, if and when we decide to resell it, you know, it's going to be of quality that they're going to like.
The beauty about doing renovations on your house, if you do them right, it's like kind of like putting money in the bank, right?
Yeah.
because you're increasing the value, so you're getting a return on it. But the nice thing about doing it on your home is that you get that instant gratification of being able to use it as well.
Absolutely.
What are you doing here? What's happening?
What?
You've over-petunia'd.
I've over petunia'd?
Yeah.
How can you ever over petunia?
I need some color in mine. It's like pretty
what?
white and.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Thank
Good luck,
you.
gentlemen. It'll be great.
It'll be gorgeous.
Thanks, God.
Hi.
Is this where you guys hang out?
Yeah.
Yep. This is what we have
Hopefully
now.
not in the future.
Yeah, all right. Well, we're gonna change everything. Let me show you guys where it's time to hang out.
Amazing.
Check out this new deck.
Can't wait to see this.
Gentlemen, check out your backyard.
Wow. Oh my. Wow.
What is
Wow, this is a-
going on over here?
This is.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know where to look first.
First things first, brand new Weber barbecue.
That barbecue is
That
like
is
so gorgeous.
Got a little dining area here, which is
so
great.
cute.
Lots of room for everybody to kind of sit down, relax, have a meal. Then we've got the pergola over here, which was a great system we put up. It's got the canopy across the top, which you can remove if you like.
Look at the furniture. This is incredible, this decking.
Well,
It looks like a floor.
well, this is a bit of a different style. It's going to weather very nicely because it's consistent throughout. So you don't have to power wash it, you don't have to stain it, you don't have to do anything. Just let it age and let the grain come through. You're good to go, no maintenance. So the only way we could do this in a day was to use the Techno metal posts for our structure.
Right.
And then we tied the frame into that. I brought in the bro laws. They were amazing. We worked as a team. We ran everything as fast as we could, but also as clean as we could. You know what, I'm happy for you guys. I know you were concerned about where to invest your money with this property, and I think not only are you gonna get a good return on investment, you're gonna get the return on lifestyle that you were looking for here.
We're gonna live it. Like
Yes.
this is
You're gonna
this is
live
a
it.
space
Yes.
we can live.
All right, gentlemen, enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
I think we should sit down.
Exactly.
Let's enjoy the
Yeah.
space. Hey Scott! See, we finally got to have the barbecue we always wanted. And look, I'm barbecuing. See? Ah, isn't that nice?
And the best part is, look over there.
Our friends came over!
Thanks, Scott.
Yay,
Thanks, Scott. This
Scott.
is amazing. We are absolutely loving the backyard, and we couldn't have imagined anything better. It's just amazing.